Tin mackerel and fried dumpling is mainly a breakfast food in my Jamaican culture. However, if you're like me, breakfast any time of the day. I felt for tin mackerel and fried dumpling, I'm ever jack mackerel, so I could make it. Also, me not play with me a cooking now. For me, this is a quick meal. Me can't do this in like 30 minutes. Some all-purpose flour, some cornmeal, some salt, and some baking powder. Mix that together and knead it into a dough. Set it aside, make it relax. Pot on the stove your favorite frying oil. Make that come to a hot, but not make it too hot. Make your fried dumpling the way or the size that you want and fry them till they cook. This is my favorite way to eat fried dumpling, roll them out flat. Anytime you hear me say me a fried dumpling, even me show them little round one day and them big one them I fry for myself. But look on the fried dumpling, you know, look pretty. They were so flipping soft and fluffy. You hear me I tell how much me like me flat dumpling, me had to eat one of these. Look how dumpling nice and fluffy inside. Look how dumpling outside golden and nice. Honestly, you can't just sit down and eat them. You don't want no gravy or no protein. Anyways, once me done fry, me drain the oil from out of the pot because we use the one pot. Put it back on the stove and me spray it with some of our very own very necessary island spiced oil. Click the orange basket above my username to try it. Usually when me I cook tin mackerel, love it with onion, scallion, tomato and scotch bonnet pepper. But you can see this are just garlic and onion that I want me have. But pieces from the island spice, so I'll turn it up 10 notches. Shake up my jack mackerel good and cut it while my aromatics are sauteed. But depends on how you like your aromatics. I like mine with a little crunch. I want it hard and crunchy, but I don't want it soft and soggy. When it's halfway cooked is the perfect time for me to add the mackerel. Rinse out the residue with a little water, throw it in there. Added some spicy ketchup, which is just regular ketchup. I'm gonna put some of my homemade pepper sauce in there. Added that to it, stir it in. I added a little Creole season just as a mean as salt. That's the one good thing about them mackerel, I then make them salty, which is perfect. That means you can adjust the taste to suit you. No mackerel no complete for me without enough black pepper, so I sprinkle enough black pepper in there. That's simmer down a little to my desired amount of gravy. Then I serve it up with my fried dumpling roll out. Oh my god. I cooked this about 5 days ago, and right now I do the voice over. I feel like I get up and go fry 2 dumpling right now. I don't want no mackerel, but I feel like I eat 2 of them nice fried dumpling. I can't just eat them by themselves. Every time I cook mackerel pan here, people in the comments say, you know, move the bone. No, I do not remove the bone from the mackerel. I love the bone in the mackerel. I do not remove the bone from a sardine either. However, this is a safe, non-judgmental zone. So do whatever you want to do when you make this.